Okay, to get started, I will be using 1 pound of French green beans. These have been trimmed and rinsed. I already have a pot of boiling water on my stove, so now I'm going to place them in the boiling water and blanch them for around a minute. I basically want to achieve a nice green vibrant color, and once I get there, I am going to shock them in an ice cold water bath. Be sure to check the description below this video for ingredients and measurements for this recipe. Okay, so my green beans are where I want them to be. By the way, this does not cook them. This basically just gets them to a vibrant green color. The process of boiling them in the water and shocking them in ice cold water basically gives you that vibrant green color. Okay, so once the green beans are cool enough and they've stopped cooking, I'm just going to drain all of this water out and let them hang out until I need them. In the meantime, I am preheating the skillet. I've added 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and I will also be adding 2 tablespoons of butter. Okay, so my butter is melted down, the pan is preheated, so now I'm going to add 2 cloves of minced fresh garlic. I actually use the garlic from one of those squeezy containers, but 2 cloves of minced garlic works. So I'm just going to let that heat through, and it seems to be popping everywhere. I might need to turn the pan down just a tad. So once this basically warms through and starts to saute, I am now going to add my green beans right into the pan. Okay, so now that my green beans are in the pan, I am also going to add the zest of 1 large lemon. And if you don't have a large lemon, basically zest lemon until you get around a tablespoon of fresh lemon zest. So today I am actually creating a Christmas dinner. This is what I will be eating for Christmas, and I wanted to test this out and, get some recipes out there, some ideas for you guys. So I will show you later exactly what I've been cooking today, but out of all the recipes, this green bean recipe is very easy compared to what I had to do for the other ones, and it's very quick. Okay, so that is all combined and sauteed. I'm going to add some salt to taste and continue sauteing these green beans. By the way, all in all, I want my green beans to be cooked through. But I'm adding onion at this point. But like I was saying, I want my green beans to be cooked through, but I still want them to sort of have a little bite to them. Now you can take your green beans and cook them all the way through the way you like them, but the cook time will vary. So it just depends on your preference. So I've added some onion. This was literally like an 1/8 chunk of an onion that I had. It was a red onion. It was a large red onion, and I had just a small chunk. I sliced it thinly and added it to the pan. Now I'm going to add the juice of 1 large lemon, which is basically right under 1/4 cup. It's several tablespoons of fresh squeezed lemon juice. So this is basically one of my favorite ways to have green beans, with a zesty lemon garlic flavor. Now I'm going to add some pepper to taste, and these are pretty much done. Now, like I said earlier, I wanted to show you the other recipes and the other food that I'm cooking today. Here I've basically made my own version of canned ranch style beans. I made a homemade barbecue sauce. I made sweet cornbread, and that barbecue sauce goes well with my Texas flavored inspired oven braised brisket. And let's not forget my green chili mac and cheese. Those recipes are posted, so if you are interested in those, look for the description below this video. I will leave some links at the end of this video, but my dinner is done. So I hope you give this recipe a try. I hope you like it, and thanks for watching.